Hey guys, so like recently McDonald's released another new statement saying that it's not gonna reopen on the 5th of May.
Yeah, I saw that too.
So all the McDonald's fans, including us, are very sad.
Yeah, so today we are going to do our very own McDonald's recipe at home. And what's your favorite McDonald's food?
My favorite is the classic Filet-O-Fish. I know, very boring.
And then mine is McSpicy. So today we are going to recreate both of these two burgers and with also fries.
Anyway, just a disclaimer, we actually bought all the instant ingredients. So if you're expecting us to do everything from scratch, we're not gonna do that.
Yeah, it's not gonna happen because we are very lazy people, and we hope this recipe will be as simple as possible so you guys can do it with us as well. So let's start. Okay, so the first step is to air fry the fish fillet first. So we bought this because, due to the circuit breaker situation, right, everything is sold out, and this is the only fish fillet we could find. So we are going to air fry 3 because we are going to do 1 single and 1 double Filet-O-Fish. Okay, so for today we are going to mainly be using the air fryer because it's healthier, and we are going to air fry the fish fillet now. So while we are air frying the fish fillet, we are going to prepare the buns first. So we are going to cut it into half. Do you even know how to cut?
Okay, so now we are going to steam the buns because I saw online it says that if you steam the buns, right, it will be very soft and then it will look like the Filet-O-Fish buns. Steam for a while. After steaming for a while, we can take out the buns now.
Be careful, very hot.
It's soft. Ouch!
You see, it looks like the real Filet-O-Fish, right? The burger.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Yeah, the real one is also very soft. Okay, so the fillets are ready and we are going to assemble it. So first we will need the bun, then the cheese. Then after that you'll put the fillet on top. Wow. And after that we will put the tartar sauce. So for the tartar sauce, right, we got it off the shelf. So we didn't make it. Wow.
This one I'm gonna put more because I love the tartar sauce.
Wow,
I'm gonna put
it looks
on
damn
the
good.
bun also.
Okay. Oh, it's really a lot. Okay. Wow.
Okay, a bit
Damn
too much
good.
already.
Oh, it looks damn good though.
Okay, so we actually did 1 single Filet-O-Fish and 1 double Filet-O-Fish.
Yay.
Looks damn good.
Yeah, I can't wait to eat it.
Okay, so now we're gonna do McSpicy.
Yeah, so the other day I was browsing Facebook and I saw someone recommended the chicken fillet that tastes exactly like McSpicy, so we bought it and we are going to try it. So we are going to air fry the chicken also. We will cut the lettuce while waiting for the chicken fillet to be fried. Be careful, be careful.
You never cooked before, is it? I'm so scared.
Hey! So we are going to pan fry the bun to make it like not so soft. Because the normal McSpicy is not so soft one.
Yeah.
You see the difference?
Wow.
Yeah, I think it will be nicer. Like inside is like crispy but outside is
Soft. Okay.
Okay, so the chicken fillet is done. Wow, look at it. It's so crispy.
Nice.
Yeah, so we are going to assemble our McSpicy. So first we will put the chicken fillet. Then after that we will put some lettuce. Wow, looks very good, oh. Okay, then
Add the mayonnaise.
done. Then you put on the bun.
Wow, McSpicy.
Wow. Oh my god, I've been craving for McSpicy for so long already. Okay, so this is a McSpicy that we made.
Wow, looks exactly like the one McDonald's have.
Do you want to try?
Okay, so to complete the meal, we will need fries. And now we're gonna make our own version of our fries.
With potatoes.
Now we're gonna peel the potato to make our fries.
So it's done and we are going to cut it.
Yeah. We're gonna cut the potato into like small pieces. Once you're done cutting the fries, you can put it in the water. This is to actually remove the starch from the potato. So while soaking it to remove the starch, we can prepare hot water first. Then we can put some salt. Okay, then after that you put the fries over to the hot water. This is to actually make the fries like more crunchy, just like the McDonald's one. You can see like just now the water has already turned chalky. Okay, so after you soak for 2 minutes, you can now drain the water away. And let's go dry the fries. Okay, now we're gonna dry the fries with the paper towel. So dry it. Okay, we're gonna air fry the fries because we want it to be a healthier version.
Okay, so let's put inside the air fryer.
A few moments later.
So I think the fries is done.
Wow!
It looks very nice and smells very, very good. So you can put some salt if you want, but usually we don't eat with salt.
Yep, so it's healthier also.
Okay, so we are done with our homemade McDonald's burger and fries, and we are going to try it together.
Can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna try the double Filet-O-Fish.
Okay, you try first. Is it nice?
I think the patty is a bit different from McDonald's one, the fish patty.
Let me try.
But the tartar sauce is the same, exactly the same. But the cheese also, the cheese is same, right?
Actually, it's very nice. I quite like it, but the patty is different, but
It's a different fish.
but
from
that's
McDonald's.
the best we could get one. So
Yeah.
I think like we just have to make do with it. Okay, next will be the McSpicy. I'll let you eat first.
It's very small.
Yeah, it's very small. Is it good? Really?
The chicken is nice. Oh, not very nice. Yeah, the chicken is like the McSpicy chicken.
Okay, so this one is really similar to the McDonald's McSpicy as compared to the Filet-O-Fish that we did.
It's much
This is damn
nicer.
good. Yeah, this is damn good.
We'll now eat the fries. And guess what? Like the chili sauce.
It's very nice at the fries. It is so easy to do, the French fries.
But the fries we actually did more steps than the burger.
Yeah.
We have to soak it and then we have to remove the starch, put it in the hot water and then air fry it.
It takes longer to do the fries than the burger. Like you don't need a lot of ingredients to do the fries ma. Just like potato only ma.
Yeah.
Okay, so hope you guys like this video and let us know if you are going to try the McDonald's recipe that we did in the comment box below.
Okay, so if you guys are actually waiting for McDonald's to reopen again, you can actually try this recipe that we did for now. It's actually very easy to make.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all for the video. We hope you guys enjoy watching us recreate our own McDonald's recipe. So remember to subscribe to us and hit the notification bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos.
And also follow us on our Instagram and leave it down in the comment box below to let us know what video you want us to do next. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.